Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you this ThinkPad 14-inch professional slim top-load case. It is a really thin and light case for professionals and for minimalist professionals. As you can see, very compact design. For everyday work as essentials. This is made from very light materials, and as you can see, and I think that this material is for everyday wear and tear. We can give inside laptops up to 14.1 inches, so you can see how it looks inside like this. So 1, 2 and 3, and if we take the laptops, I have here ThinkPad from the Lenovo. I give him here very nice and very quick, and I have here still a lot of place for the papers. And of course, when I close it, you have next place for the papers here. I have the papers also for the cards, pen, 2 pens, and also for something like this, any box. And last one, again for any papers, for cards, etc. It's up to you. So I think that it's very nice and very professional case for your notebook or the laptop. So as you can see, you have one more pocket for small device. This is maybe older storage pocket, and from the second side you can see here you have a strap to attach to rolling luggage. It's again very nice if you fly a lot, and it's very comfort handle, very fine for my skin. You can see from the bottom it's very nice solution. And also weight is very nice. It's weight of this case is just 0.6 kilograms. So I think that it's very good for the traveling. So thank you for the watching. I hope that you will order this ThinkPad Topload, professional slim Topload, and see you in the next video. Don't forget the very nice comment about English and about this video. So see you and bye.